Okay, what we have here is agua verde, which means water green.
Green water.
That says water green. And this is a little cantina or whatever this is here. And I know it's noisy. Let me get past that. Anyway, this is what it is. And as you see here, this little chair here, that is what you get your... That's what you put your ass in. And this is what they send the beer down in, right here, and the chair. And then you go down these cables or whatever and hope to God they don't break. And then they go down here, and there is a little river. I know that music is way too much, but anyway, I'll take some more pictures later. Anyway, see ya. Bye. Hope you're enjoying your day back home. Bye. Okay, what we got here is we're walking down the steps. We're not going to take that little trolley car. It looks too damn dangerous for me. I've been on it once, but you got to have a couple of beers like to enjoy the ride. So we're going to stay on this side of the Rio. And anyway, we go down here, and we got some friends down here that got here before us. Go on. We're almost down there. Nice steps, huh? Look at these things. Ooh, nice. Nice steps. All right, well, we're down. We're getting down here to the bottom. Okay. Water's kind of dried up. Okay, this is the downhill down here at the little river. And little chairs over here. Okay. And a little bit of green water. And some Americanos. So, anyway, see you later. Bye.